ICT. On my right,
Alaji Samuel
Ikobo Samuel,
and the
ICT is an acronym for Information Communication Technology, but today we're going to talk on computer system.
Computer system is a component made up of two, which are the hardware and the software. The hardware is further divided into two, which are the internal hardware and the peripheral devices. The peripheral devices are devices found around the system unit. Examples are the mouse, the monitor, the keyboard, and so on. The internal hardware devices are devices found inside the system unit. My friends here will take you on a tour on hardware, while my friend and I will see you soon on software. Bye!
Someone and I are going to be assembling the system units. But before we start, we must first know the components that are inside the system units. Now, this is called the CD drive. This is called the heat sink, which collects heat from the CPU. And with me, I have 500 gigabytes hard disk. And this is the motherboard, which comprises of many circuits. And as we can see, we have different types of circuits. This is the USB port. This is called the monitor and the printer ports, the mouse and the keyboard ports, and these are called the jack ports. Now, this is called the CPU, known as the brain of the computer. These are called RAM, which are known as random access memory. And with me, I have 2 gig, 1 gig, and another 1 gig. This is called the power pack, which transfers power to everything inside the system unit. This is called the CPU fan, and it cools the CPU, and this is called the fan controller. And this is called the facial cover. This is called the casing, and this is called the top cover. Thank you.
As my friend Dominion has said, we'll be coupling the system units inside this system unit casing. First, I'm going to be installing the CPU motherboard. Now, I've installed the motherboard into the casing. Next is to bring in the CPU, which is the brain of the computer. This is a speaker cable. Next is to install the heatsink. I've installed the heatsink. The next thing I will say is to install the RAMs. I'm going to be installing the hard drive, and before that, I want to connect the data cable and the electricity cable to the hard drive. Now I'm going to be connecting the data cable and the electricity cable to the. I'm going to be installing the CPU fan. Now, the next part to be connected is the power pack. And then, before that, the cables of the power pack, which connects to the motherboard, will be placed. The first cable comes, the last cable from the power pack comes here. All these cables transfer power from the power pack to the system unit. Flatbed system units will be placed. Now I'm going to be closing up the system unit. I'm going to be closing up the power pack and the CD drive. And always remember to push the CD drive to align with the face casing. Now, Last but not least, I'm going to be installing the top casing. Thank you.
My friend and I, we have been able to couple the system unit, and I hope you've learned a thing or two from us. Thank you.